together to make sure that we build capital buffers that weather the storm. And essentially, we have had a very good collaborative period with the government through the Bank of Zambia engagement that comes through when there are reforms that are coming. I'll give you an example of the currency directives. We essentially had engagements with the government through central bank in terms of how does this impact your clients, what is coming out from your clients in terms of discussions with your clients around this, how can we implement it better. So we heard, I think, from the governor that the decisions, I think, in terms of introducing currency directives were made as early as January 2024, and then discussions with the entire country happened, including ourselves, and these directives were then issued at the end of 2025, effective 1st January 2026.